Identification. The common blackbird was introduced to Australia. The male is the blackbird, with deep orange to yellow bill, a narrow yellow eye ring, and dark legs. The female is a brown bird, with some streaks or mottling, and has a dark bill and legs. Immature birds are similar to the female with lighter underparts. Habitat. The common blackbird is most often found in urban areas and surrounding localities, but has successfully moved into bushland habitats. It is often seen in orchards, vineyards, and gardens, as well as along roadsides and in parks. Distribution. The common blackbird was originally confined to Melbourne and Adelaide, but has gradually expanded its range throughout southeastern Australia, both on the coast and inland, as far north as Sydney, and including Tasmania and the Bass Strait Islands. Satellite view. Feeding and diet. The common blackbird eats insects, earthworms, snails, spiders, and a range of seeds and fruit. It mainly forages on the ground, probing and scratching at leaf litter, lawns, and soil. Communication. A repeated chook call and a melodious, warbling song. Breeding behaviors. The common blackbird builds a cup-shaped nest of dry grass, bound with mud and lined with fine grasses. It is usually placed in a tree, shrub, or low bush, but they will also use tree hollows. Breeding season, September to January. Clutch size, 3 to 5, usually 4. Incubation, 14 days. Time in nest, 14 days. Economic impacts. The common blackbird can be a pest in orchards, parks, and gardens, being rather destructive of ground vegetation, particularly backyard vegetable patches.